Many learners say English is too fast. They hear words, but they do not understand. That's why today's video is slow English listening. Clear words, short sentences, step by step. And the story? Gandhi, the man of peace and freedom. A shy boy from India who fought for justice without violence. By the end, you will understand more English and feel inspired. Subscribe now and let's begin the story of Mahatma Gandhi. Our story begins in 1869, in a small town in India. A baby boy is born. His name is Mohandas Gandhi. Gandhi's family is traditional. His father works for the government. His mother is very religious. She prays every day. She teaches Gandhi important values. Always tell the truth, his mother says. Never hurt anyone. Help people who need help. Gandhi is a shy boy. Very shy. He does not like to speak in class. He runs home after school. He is afraid to talk to other children. But Gandhi loves to read. He reads stories about heroes who help people, heroes who fight for what is right. One day, Gandhi makes a mistake. He steals a small piece of gold from his brother. He feels terrible. His heart hurts. Gandhi writes a letter to his father. "I'm sorry," he writes. "I stole gold. I will never steal again. Please forgive me." His father reads the letter. Tears come to his eyes. He does not shout. He does not hit Gandhi. He just hugs his son. "Truth is the most important thing," his father says. "Thank you for telling the truth." This moment changes Gandhi forever. He learns that truth has power. Truth can heal hearts. Truth can make people better. Gandhi's mother teaches him about ahimsa. This means do not hurt anyone. Not animals, not people, not even people who hurt you. Violence creates more violence, she explains. But love creates love. Peace creates peace. Young Gandhi listens carefully. These words stay in his heart forever. At school, Gandhi is not the best student, but he works hard. He studies every day. He never gives up. Other children sometimes laugh at Gandhi. He is different. He is quiet. He does not play their games. But Gandhi does not become angry. He remembers his mother's words about peace. He stays calm. Gandhi's childhood teaches him 3 important things. First, always tell the truth. Second, never hurt anyone. Third, work hard and never give up. These 3 lessons will change the world. Gandhi is now 18 years old. His family has a big decision. They want Gandhi to become a lawyer, but lawyers must study in London. London is far from India, very far. Gandhi has never left his small town. He is scared. "I cannot go," Gandhi tells his mother. "London is different. The people are different. I will be alone." His mother holds his hand. "You are strong," she says. "You have truth in your heart. Truth will protect you." So Gandhi goes to London. The year is 1888. London is huge. The buildings are tall. The people walk fast. Everything is different from India. Gandhi feels lost. He misses his family. He misses Indian food. He misses the warm sun of India. At law school, Gandhi is still shy. He does not speak in class. Other students are confident. They speak loudly. Gandhi just listens. But Gandhi works harder than everyone. He reads law books every night. He studies until very late. Gandhi also learns about other religions. He reads the Bible. He reads about Buddhism. He reads about different ways of life. All religions teach love, Gandhi thinks. All religions want peace. In London, Gandhi makes a promise to his mother. He will not eat meat. He will stay vegetarian. This is difficult. Most restaurants serve meat. Gandhi searches for vegetarian food. He finds a vegetarian restaurant. He meets other vegetarians. These people teach Gandhi about simple living. We do not need many things to be happy, they say. Simple life, high thinking. Gandhi likes this idea. He stops buying expensive clothes. He walks instead of taking expensive transport. He lives simply. After 3 years, Gandhi becomes a lawyer. But he is still shy. In his first case in court, he cannot speak. He stands up, his mind goes blank. He sits down again. The other lawyers laugh. Gandhi feels embarrassed, but he does not give up. I will find my own way to help people, Gandhi thinks. In 1891, Gandhi returns to India. He is now a lawyer, but he is still the same shy boy inside. He does not know that soon he will become one of the most famous people in the world. London taught Gandhi important lessons. He learned about different cultures. He learned about simple living. Most importantly, he learned that he must find his own path in life. In 1893, Gandhi gets a job offer. A company in South Africa needs a lawyer. Gandhi is 24 years old. He decides to go. South Africa is different from India and England. There are white people, black people, and Indian people, but they are not treated equally. White people have all the power. Indian and black people have very few rights. The system is called apartheid. Gandhi buys a first-class train ticket. He has money. He is a lawyer. He thinks this is normal. But when the train leaves, a white man complains. Indians cannot sit in first class. He says, "Move to third class." Gandhi shows his ticket. "I have a first-class ticket," he says quietly. "I don't care," says the train conductor. "Indians sit in third class. Move now, or get off the train." Gandhi refuses to move. "I have the right ticket," he says. The conductor calls the police. They throw Gandhi off the train.
It is cold. It is night. Gandhi sits alone on the platform. This night changes everything. Gandhi is angry, but not violent anger. He feels a different kind of anger, an anger that wants justice. This is wrong, Gandhi thinks. All people should have equal rights. Color of skin does not matter. Gandhi decides to fight this unfair system. But how? He remembers his mother's words about ahimsa, no violence. I will fight with truth, Gandhi decides. I will fight with peace. Gandhi organizes the Indian community in South Africa. He teaches them about their rights. He writes letters to newspapers. We must resist unfair laws, Gandhi tells them, but we will not use violence. We will use satyagraha. Satyagraha means truth force. It means standing for what is right without hurting anyone. Gandhi and his followers protest peacefully. They burn their identity cards. They refuse to pay unfair taxes. They go to jail willingly. The police arrest Gandhi many times. They put him in jail, but Gandhi does not stop. Each time they arrest him, more people join his movement. Jail cannot stop truth, Gandhi says. Violence cannot stop peace. After many years of struggle, the government changes some unfair laws. Gandhi's peaceful resistance works. Gandhi spends 21 years in South Africa. These years teach him how to fight injustice, how to lead people, how to change the world without violence. When Gandhi returns to India in 1915, he is not the same shy boy who left. He is now Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma means great soul. Gandhi found his power in South Africa. Not the power to hurt, the power to heal, the power of truth and non-violence.
When Gandhi returns to India in 1915, his country needs him. India is ruled by Britain. Indian people want freedom, but the British will not leave. Gandhi travels across India. He sees poverty everywhere. People are hungry. They work hard, but earn very little. First, I must understand my people's problems, Gandhi thinks. Gandhi changes his clothes. He stops wearing Western suits. He wears simple white cloth like poor Indian farmers. How can I help people if I don't live like them? Gandhi asks. People are surprised. Here is an educated lawyer. He could live comfortably, but he chooses to live simply. Gandhi starts spinning cotton every day. He makes his own cloth. This simple act becomes a symbol of Indian independence. Why buy British cloth? Gandhi asks. We can make our own. Every thread we spin is a step toward freedom. Millions of Indians start spinning cotton. They stop buying British products. This hurts the British economy. In 1930, Gandhi plans his most famous protest, the Salt March. The British government controls salt in India. Indians must buy expensive British salt. They cannot make their own salt. This law is unfair. Gandhi decides to walk to the sea. He will make salt from seawater. This will break the British law. I will walk 240 miles to the sea, Gandhi announces. Who will walk with me? Gandhi is 61 years old. The walk is long and difficult, but thousands of people join him. Every day, more people join the march. They walk through villages and towns. People come out to see Gandhi. We want freedom, they chant. We want independence. When Gandhi reaches the sea, he picks up a handful of salt. With this salt, I shake the foundations of the empire, he says. All across India, people start making their own salt. The British arrest thousands of people, but the movement grows stronger. The world watches India's peaceful revolution. Newspapers write about Gandhi's nonviolent methods. How can you arrest a man who only wants to make salt? People ask. Gandhi goes to jail many times, but he never gives up. He fasts when the situation becomes difficult. He prays for peace. Our weapon is not violence, Gandhi tells his followers. Our weapon is moral force. Our weapon is truth. Slowly, the British realize they cannot control India forever. Indian people are united. They want freedom, and they are willing to sacrifice for it. World War II comes and goes. Britain becomes weaker. In 1947, India finally gets independence. Gandhi's dream comes true. But he is sad because India splits into two countries, India and Pakistan. This creates violence between Hindus and Muslims. This is not the independence I wanted, Gandhi says. I wanted unity, not division. Even after independence, Gandhi continues working for peace between different religions. On January 30th, 1948, Gandhi is walking to a prayer meeting. He is 78 years old. He still works for peace between Hindus and Muslims. Suddenly, a man with a gun approaches. He shoots Gandhi 3 times. As Gandhi falls, he says, "Hey Ram, oh God." These are his last words. Even in death, Gandhi thinks of peace. The world is shocked. The man of non-violence is killed by violence. But Gandhi's message does not die with him. Gandhi's life teaches the world something new. You can fight injustice without violence. You can change the world with truth and love. Martin Luther King Jr., the American civil rights leader, studies Gandhi's methods. He uses nonviolent resistance to fight racism in America. Gandhi showed us the way, King says. Love is stronger than hate. Peace is stronger than violence. Nelson Mandela in South Africa also follows Gandhi's example. He fights apartheid without violence. He becomes president of South Africa. Gandhi taught us that the oppressor must be liberated just as surely as the oppressed. Mandela says, all over the world, people use Gandhi's methods. They fight for justice peacefully. They resist unfair laws without hurting anyone. Gandhi's message is simple but powerful. Be the change you want to see in the world. This means if you want peace, be peaceful. If you want love, be loving. If you want justice, act justly. Gandhi showed that one person can change the world. He was not rich. He was not powerful in the traditional way, but he had something stronger than money or weapons. He had truth. Today, when people face injustice, they remember Gandhi. They remember that violence creates more violence, but peace creates peace. Gandhi's spinning wheel is now on the Indian flag. It reminds people that freedom comes through hard work and peaceful resistance. Every October 2nd, the world celebrates Gandhi's birthday as the International Day of Non-Violence. Gandhi's shy little boy from a small Indian town became a light for the whole world. His light still shines today. When you face problems in your life, remember Gandhi. Remember that truth is always stronger than lies. Love is always stronger than hate. Peace is always stronger than violence. This is Gandhi's gift to the world. This is his eternal message. This is the story of Mahatma Gandhi, the man who changed the world without violence, the shy boy who became a great soul. Gandhi's message is for everyone, for every country, for every religion, for every person who wants justice and peace. The more you listen to stories like this, the more you understand. Not just English, but life. Not just words, but wisdom. Come back every day for another slow English story. Each story will improve your English and inspire your heart. Subscribe to this channel. Click the bell for notifications. Like this video. Share it with friends who need inspiration. Remember Gandhi's words. Be the change you want to see in the world. Thank you for listening. Thank you for learning. See you in the next slow English story.